Good afternoon. Today is the 18th of September and I'm here in Xining, China on my way to Lhasa, Tibet. And this is the railway station. I've collected my ticket and here is a sign that will tell you on my way to Tibet. I don't know what this special train is, but maybe they move this board afterwards. And I'm just going to let the camera do the talking. I do see some foreigners here now, so before I was the only foreigner, so I'm just going to let the camera do the talking. The Chinese have definitely learned from Americans about posing for pictures, and here are some Tibetan passengers. We were just talking about how long ago it was that I've been to Tibet, and it appears that I've been now almost 10 plus years ago when I was in Tibet. So the top train is my ticket. Well, you can see it on this. But K9801, that's my train number. So I'm going to try to focus it on again. Oh, it's gone. So they do have porters. I just might hire a porter as a young kid.